Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add social icons to your WordPress page or post using Elementor. So I logged into my WordPress dashboard and here I have Elementor free plugin. Now let's go to the page where I wish to add that social icons. So let's edit that page in Elementor. Okay, so once loaded page builder, we have to search for widgets in general. Okay, so in general we have this social icons widget. I'm going to drop it here, and here you see by default you have social icons for Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Okay, so you can edit those items simply by clicking on it and then linking to your respective YouTube channel or Twitter or Facebook page. Okay, and then you basically click on update. Okay, here you can do this style as well, but I don't think that's even necessary. You can choose from official colors or custom, but that would only make it look let's say attractive if you play with too many settings of it. Okay, so keep the default and then update your page and then go ahead and preview the changes. And here you see your icons listed here. If you added the links, it would be clickable, otherwise it will just be letting you click and does nothing. So make sure to add links as well, and that should get you started with social icons for your blog or website.